वेलकम बॉयस। इससे पहले मैंने एक वीडियो बना थी जहाँ पे आई टॉक्ट अबाउट द इक्स एंड टर्न ऑफ वुमेन। उसमें आई टोल्ड यू व्हाट नॉट टू डू एज अ मैन इन जनरल, राइट। आज हम बात करेंगे कि तुम्हें करना क्या है, हाउ टू चेंज ट्रांसफॉर्म योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम अ बॉय टू अ मैन हु इज अ जेंटलमैन, हु रेस्पेक्ट्स पीपल एंड हु अंडरस्टैंड्स everybody's ideologies are different from their own ideologies. You do not have to blame somebody for some lifestyle. You do not have to uh, mansplain somebody for something that they choose to do. And you do not have to thopo your ideologies on somebody else if they have a different ideology. You need to understand these things. ठीक है, ये तो हो गई don'ts. अब coming back to the do's. First of all, if you are a student, if you are still a student, I would say the primary thing that you need to do is study. स्टडी। ये आजकल सोशल मीडिया तुम्हें बताता है कि भाई कॉलेज किसी काम का नहीं है, स्कूल किसी काम का नहीं है, ये तुम्हें कुछ नहीं सिखाता है। हमारे भी यही आइडियोलॉजी था जब हम स्कूल में थे, बट जब निकले तब समझ में आया कि पढ़ाई ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत अच्छी चीज है, बट पढ़ाई एसेंशियल है। अगर तुम पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे, यू वोंट गेट जेन्युइनली, यू वोंट गेट एनीवेयर इन योर लाइफ इफ यू डू नॉट हैव एनी अदर extraordinary skills. And I believe everybody does not have extraordinary skills, which is why those skills are extraordinary, right? If you do not have those, if you cannot monetize on extraordinary skills, you 100% need to study, be the topper of your class. Everybody, every single person, one of you should be the topper of your class. चाहे तुम सारे लोग सेम क्लास में क्यों ना हो, मुझे नहीं पता, सारे लोग फर्स्ट आने चाहिए। ठीक है, फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकेंड थिंग, नाउ अगेन, इसमें ये जो सेकेंड थिंग है ये तुम्हारी थ्रू आउट लाइफ चलेगी। द सेकेंड थिंग इज ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट विमेन। अगर तुम्हें किसी का कोई स्टेटमेंट अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, अगर तुम्हें किसी का कोई कोई बात डेरोगेटरी लग रही है, अगर तुम्हें कोई लग रहा है कि बहुत गंदी लड़की है, ये बहुत ज्यादा गंदी लड़की है, मूव अवे, मूव अवे, वॉक ऑफ। दैट्स मच बेटर देन डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग देम, engaging with them in something that is negative and that will result in you being the eventual culprit in that situation. ठीक है, never never disrespect women. तुम किसी को कॉल आउट कर सकते हो, बट किसी को गंदी गंदी गालियां देना, गंदी गंदे इंसल्ट करना, वो कभी अच्छी चीज नहीं होती। नेवर 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 डिसरिस्पेक्ट women. Second thing. Third thing, if you are out of education, if you are in a world where you have to earn for yourself, your utmost priority should be, and I'm saying this as a man to you, should be finding a work that you enjoy doing for the rest of your life. If you feel like your boss is taking advantage of you, if you feel like your colleagues are draining you, if you feel like you're burning out within months of joining a workplace, I don't think that will last for the next 40 years of your life. If you can adapt, then that is great. If you can't, move out. Figure out ways. Figure out ways where you can stick to this organization for a particular period of time. You do not give 100% of yourself to this organization. You work just as much as you are paid for it. Then you work out. Then you walk out. Right? You need to be the man who enjoys working, because the entire world's responsibility is going to be on your head within a couple of years, or within like a decade at max. इसके साथ साथ second thing that is very important for you is to have a side hustle. And I'm not saying this from the hustle culture's point of view. I'm saying this because every person should have a secondary source of income in case something happens to the primary one. Every person should have that, right? This is the second, this is the third or fourth thing. इसके बाद आते हैं एक और चीज में, which is your health. Always try to prioritize home food. Always try to prioritize nutrition. Always try to prioritize, कुछ भी अगर चीज तुम्हें सप्लीमेंट लगे कि तुम्हें जरूरत है, टेक इट. It's always better to be a healthy person than to pay hospital bills. ठीक है, always prioritize your health. Of course have treats, of course go out, of course enjoy your life, of course do all of that things, but do not make them a priority. Do not make them a daily occurrence. Make it a treat. But in general, in your daily life, always prioritize yourself and your health. In the same line, go to the gym. If you like to run, if you like to skip, if you like to do jogging, if you like to do yoga, do all of those things. With them, go to the gym. Build your muscles, build your strength, be a complete man. Going to the gym is not just a an option anymore. It's a necessity. ठीक है? And I'm not saying bulk, and I'm not saying build ginormous muscles. I'm not saying take steroids. I'm not saying any of that. I'm saying just be functionally fit. Right? For that, you need to have muscle. You need to go to the gym. You need to be fit. If you have some amount of money, always prioritize in dressing well. Always be the one who can pull clothes off, right? No matter how you look, if you dress well, you can get into every single room, every single one of them. If you look sharp enough, right? And I'm not saying कि बहुत पैसे से ही होगा. If you have substantial money, अगर थोड़ा बहुत पैसा भी है, invest it in good clothes. Invest it in good shoes, invest it in good accessories, because if you look good, if you smell good, and if you're presentable, you can get anywhere. Every single door will be open for you. And the last thing is having confidence, building confidence. स्किल्स वाली बात एक जो मैंने करी थी वो तो ऑफ कोर्स इंपॉर्टेंट है ही, बट इन सब चीज़ों से सेपरेट, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि इन चीज़ों के साथ आता है कॉन्फिडेंस, बट इन सब चीज़ों से सेपरेट भी यू नीड टू हैव योर ओन कोर कॉन्फिडेंस, कोर सेंस ऑफ इमेज, राइट? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अपने आप को इस लायक बनाना कि तुम कॉन्फिडेंट हो अपनी जिंदगी में, डेली लाइफ में, कि तुम्हारे सामने अगर कुछ भी आ रहा है तो तुम 2 बार सोच नहीं रहे कि कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा. यार, ये सेल्फ डाउट कोई जगह नहीं होनी चाहिए तुम्हारी जिंदगी में अपने सेल्फ डाउट के लिए. अ नार्सिसिस्ट succeeds in every single field of life because they believe in themselves, because they understand it may be a negative trait, but they know 100% of the time that they will achieve whatever they set their mind into. So they will get into spaces, they will get the deals, they will be fine, they will work through it, right? Do not turn into a narcissist, but understand that your priority should be इनवर्ड्स, नॉट आउटवर्ड्स. तुम अगर खुद में कॉन्फिडेंट हो, तुम अगर खुद में खड़े रह के लोगों से बात कर सकते हो आंखों में आंख मिला के, दैट इज इनफ. इफ यू बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, इफ यू डू नॉट, एंड अनदर पॉइंट ऑफ दिस इज नॉट टेकिंग द नेगेटिविटी. अगर कोई तुम्हें कंटिन्यू से बोल जा रहा है कि तू लायक नहीं है, तू ये नहीं कर सकता, तू वो नहीं कर सकता, ब्लॉक इट. If you can do that, then you will grow much bigger of a pool of confidence, right, within you. You need to be kind in your circle and outside as well, circling back to the point of you need to respect everybody. With respect, again, you will get into spaces where you won't even think you had a chance. You just have to be kind. You just have to be humble. You just have to be the person who people look at and say that's a good person. That's it. तुम्हारा ये सिग्मा अल्फा ये सारी चीजें तुम कहीं लेके नहीं जाओगे, मर जाओगे, कोई नहीं आएगा तुम्हारे साथ, है ना? इफ यू आर काइंड टू पीपल, इफ यू आर नाइस टू पीपल, इफ यू आर हम्बल इन योर अप्रोच, नो मैटर हाउ बिग ऑफ अ पर्सन यू आर, everybody will respect you if not love you, right? And at the end of the day, that is all that matters, that people respect you. Always prioritize yourself, always prioritize your health, always prioritize your family, always prioritize your work, and always focus on people who help you grow in life and keep the people away who constantly pull you down. That's all. Be a nice person. मिलता है अगले वीडियो में.